Hi, my friends. Today we have a Stitch Fix box, and it looks like it has some surprises in here. So hang around and we'll dive in. I saw on the playback of the intro that I didn't have my jewelry on, so I went and put my jewelry on. And I'm wearing this dress, this fun dress from my armoire rental. I did a video on it. Anyway, it's kind of like a 60s dress vibe. Before I dive into this box, I do want to thank everybody who has watched my videos. I want to thank you for subscribing, for liking, for commenting. It means so much. And I haven't been able to do a lot of videos recently because it's summer and the trips and, the summer stuff going on. So I'm hoping to get back into doing them more frequently. Okay, with that said, let's look at this Stitch Fix. Most of you know that Stitch Fix is a styling service, and there's a $20 fee that goes toward anything you purchase. Shipping is free both ways. They send you a mailer bag for anything you don't want to keep, and you get a discount if you keep all 5 items. All right, so it looks like I have different things in here than usual, it looks like. So we have our little pamphlet that tells me what's in here and all the info about it. And then I have a guide on how to style them. So we'll look at that as I'm trying each item on. Ooh, I see a box. There might be jewelry. Okay, so here's one bundle. I'm excited, and this feels so soft. I don't need my glasses right now. So soft. Let me move this out of the way. Woohoo! I'm so excited. I don't really want to rip it like that, but here we go. Oh, so soft. Okay. Nice casual dress. Very pretty colors. And I saw they sent me, the preview, and this was on sale, I'm pretty sure. So if it fits, I'm probably going to keep it. Okay, the same thing. I think this one was on sale too. Yes, another pretty summer dress. And I'm getting ready for another trip, so I'm thinking these would be good for summer trips. And I had chosen, so out of my preview, you get 5 items, and out of my preview, I chose to keep 4, and for the 5th one, I said, surprise me. So, this is my surprise. Let's see what we have. Ooh, probably one of them that I've liked. It's like 3 chains together. And I'll try them on and show you up close. That's my surprise. And then we have, oh yeah, nice midi dress. Midi or maxi, might actually be maxi. Lovely dress, really pretty color. Kind of like a royal blue. It's got some purple in it. And then we have shoes, and I think I know what these shoes are. I picked them out. Yes. Aren't they pretty? So, if all this fits, I'll probably be keeping it minus the necklace. I don't know that I need jewelry. I was kind of hoping they'd send me a handbag. Anyway, okay. Love these shoes. And let me try everything on and I'll give you the details as I'm trying them on. Be right back. Okay, y'all, we're off to a good start. I love this dress. And I think I could actually dance in it because I think it would be long enough that if I spin, it won't fly up too far because it's long enough. Now, these shoes do not match this dress, but I wanted to try them on, and I like the shoes too. Anyway, nice, comes in here at the waist and then flares, nice A-frame. I like how it fits up top, and it's the same in the back. Hopefully you can't see my bra. I don't think so. I forgot to look at that. But anyway, yeah, fits perfect. Very soft. So I want to see what, I guess I'll have to take it off though. I don't think they tell me about the material on the flyer, so I'll have to look on the tag. But anyway, let me read to you about this dress and the shoes. Okay, since I have so many dresses in this pack, I have to look at this sheet first and then look at the price. So this is it's a Kylie Amandine knit dress. And it is, well, they're saying it's navy, but I guess the background is navy. And it is a size medium, $24.97, because it's on sale. I mean, yes. It's a definite yes. And then when I try something else on, I'll bring the shoes out and show you up close. Then the shoes are Paloma Wedge DVS. And let's see, they are 8.5, my size, in pink, obviously, and $78 for the shoes. And then the necklace, very delicate little silver chains, all three connected. It's pretty. I don't really need a lot of jewelry. If I get the 20% discount, it might be worth it. So let's look. It is Cherry Girl by Love AJ. Kiara layering necklace in silver, $38. Okay. So I have 2 more dresses to try on. Plus I'll come back and show you the shoes up close. Be right back. We have us another yes, please. Y'all, this is going to be a 5 out of 5. I can pretty much tell you. As long as the next dress fits, it's going to be a 5 out of 5. So I have been wanting some summer dresses you just throw on and go. And these last 2, I feel, are that. You just, they're so easy to wear. Just throw it on and go. Nice and casual, but still pretty and feminine. Very cool. I know that they would be, you could be out in the heat and you would remain cool. So the necklace again. And here's the shoes. Cute espadrille wedges. What do you think? I like them. Okay. So, like I said, as long as this next dress is a hit, we have us a 5 out of 5. Did someone say 5 out of 5? We have us a 5 out of 5. Oh, yeah. So I really love this dress, too. It's more of a maxi. It comes down to my ankles. But I really like it. I like the fit. It's got the ruching here. So it's figure flattering. And I put an extension on the necklace. I like it a lot better. I don't think it shows up on my skin too much. So I like that better. But anyway, another winner. Nice maxi dress. I love the color. Isn't that a pretty color? Okay, let's read about these and see what I'm going to pay for all 5. I'll tell you about the dress first. This is a Isa knit fitted ruched dress, AVLN Studio. And so it would be, it's in blue, obviously, medium, $59. Now, drum roll, total is $224.94. I get a 25% discount should I buy all 5, which I'm going to. And so I get $56.24 off. So basically, I'm getting this dress for free, more or less. And so the subtotal would be $168.70 minus my styling fee that comes off, which was $20. We're looking at $148.70 for 5 nice pieces. Now, granted, 2 of them were on sale, so that's what helped keep the price low, but 5 summer items for $148, y'all. I mean, I think that's just fabulous. So, I highly recommend Stitch Fix. This has been really fun. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I have 3 dresses now I can wear. Just throw on and go. All right. I'm going to do an addendum to my armoire video because I haven't posted it yet. I haven't finished editing it and posting it yet. And my replacements came in. There were some items I didn't care for. So I sent them back and got my replacements. They're here today too. So I'm going to do that unboxing. All right. I'll catch y'all later. Thanks for watching.